Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share. You guys know that my previous video I received a bunch of stuff from Kscraft, and I wanted to cut some out and show you guys some examples of the dies. So if you're interested or you thought about buying them, you kind of know what you're going to get and what you can create out of them. So I did make a few. I didn't make all of them, but I did make a few. So the first one I want to show you is this cute little suitcase. You guys, this is adorable. It's a suitcase gift box. And the paper that I used for everything that I decided to create with those dies is the Echo Park Just Be You. This was one of my favorite collections when I first started crafting. So I remember that I purchased the little kit from Tuesday Morning. So of course I wanted to use it. And this is what my little suitcase looks like. These two papers I think are the only ones that are not from the collection. This I just had like laying around. And you guys, it is so adorable, and it's meant to be like filled up, and then the recipient can just tear it through here and grab their goodies from the inside. Isn't this the cutest? I absolutely love this. So easy to put together, you guys. Look at the little handle. And this one is this die right here. So that is the first project that I wanted to show you guys. Super cute little suitcase. Now, the next one I want to show you guys are these right here. They look like doilies, and these are perfect, you guys. Like, if you want to make your own doilies, you can with this die. You have two different sizes, like this one and this one. This one you can make like little confetti hearts. So when you punch it out, you just get all these little hearts. So you can make like a little shaker mix. I should have stuck it in here. But this is the bigger piece. So these are doilies that you can use as layering pieces. You can make them like nesting on a card. That'll look perfect. I made a little shaker out of this one, so you guys can see that you can do like a little sew around tool. And then like layer it like that, like a different color, and put it on a card. It'll look so cute with some thickers over it. I think it'll look adorable. These are amazing. I love a doily die. A doily die is for any time, any project, anything. They're perfect. Layering, cards, multiple uses, you guys. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. I feel like I'm getting sick, you guys, and it's annoying. Okay. The next die I want to show you guys is the Memory Decks one. Those are the 3 pieces. So you get a window, you get the big Memory Decks card with the little punches, and then you get like a little square die. Not, yeah, like a little rectangle. So I made 2 cards out of that right here. And you can see them. There's 2 little, I left them plain because I wanted to leave it that way that if the recipient wants to kind of like embellish it and decorate it, she can do so. So all I did was do the layers, and then I put this cute little spray, which is also from Kscraft, which is this one right here. You get 2 of them in this little thing. So I put one here and one on the opposite side, and then I did 2 colors from the paper collection, and then I just packaged it up like this. And I think they look so cute. The little Happy Mail is also from them, but I had purchased this on my own. And you get 2 layers, so you can do the background and then the little words. Any color you want, you guys. That's so cute. It'll match like with the collection you're using. So these are the ones that I used for this one, and I think they turned out so cute. And this Memory Decks card, that little window, you don't have to use it for the Memory Decks card. You can always use a window in any project. It looks adorable. I did create one with a window so you guys can see. There's like little plants on the window. So cute. And then it says my favorite. I love these. Little Memory Decks cards are so cute. Look at that. You could put like a little person there looking out the window, a little sun. So cute. So that's that one. Excuse me. And the last one that I want to share with you guys are the bag toppers. This is the die. And you guys, these are so cute. You could even put like something in between these little hearts to decorate them. But I packaged them up like this. I made 3 to share with a pen pal, and they could decorate as they want. I like to send stuff that they can make on their own. I sometimes want to give them the option to decorate the stuff how they would like. And look how cute. So I made 3 of those, and I just like packaged them up with little foam tapes so it could look like it's like cascading. It looks so cute. And that one is this one, like I said. And yeah, you guys, those are my projects with my project shares for now for Kscraft. Yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I feel crappy, but I'll be back with another video real soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.